YOGABURN, helping women get lighter, healthier and happier. Yoga system for women * results may vary depending on age, weight and other biological factors, as well as how long and how closely you follow the information presented. Welcome to the Yoga Burn system. Yoga Burn is a progressive, follow-along, body-shaping yoga system designed exclusively for women. Yoga Burn is designed for and caters to beginners who feel like they have no flexibility, all the way up to the advanced yoga junkie that has tried every yoga class offered today. Yoga Burn is a super easy to follow 12-week follow-along video series that you can do from the comfort of your own home so that you can experience everything the very best yoga has to offer. And a lot more. Here's a glimpse at how it works. The main Yoga Burn system is strategically built into 3 unique. And before we get into what these 3 unique are all about, I'd like to remind you that if you're a beginner or intermediate to yoga, that I've totally kept you in mind from the very start to finish with this program. It's super important to me to make sure you're completely comfortable and enjoy every aspect of the program, and as you'll see, I've tried to go the extra mile to ensure this is the case. So don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll be providing you with access to over 20 in-depth, step-by-step, educational pose tutorials so that I can teach you how to properly execute each and every move you'll encounter with Yoga Burn. Also, along with this video library of detailed pose tutorials, I'll be providing you with a fun, enjoyable quick start class in addition to the main program so that you can ease your way into the main system at your own pace. Okay, now it's time to dive into what Yoga Burn is all about. Foundational flow. This is called the foundational flow because that is exactly what we will be building, a solid yoga foundation. The first 4 weeks are designed to teach you the foundation of a strong yoga practice and, of course, start to shape long, lean muscles while having fun. Both beginners and advanced yoga students can and will benefit from this unique set of sequences. You will learn how to execute proper form and build a strong mind-body connection so you can call on the muscles you need once we move into the more challenging videos. This initial foundation is the key to progressing through the next 2 phases safely and effectively. Transitional flow is dedicated to teaching you how to combine the moves we've learned in phase 1 into a smooth flow that will allow you to burn more calories and get that heart rate up. By now you will be more comfortable with our basic moves, so let's mix it up and keep your body guessing to force it to adapt and change for the better. Each video in this phase focuses on large muscles groups. The 3 workout videos are upper body, lower body, and core. We will work on our transitions from one pose to the next. Learning how to link poses together feels really good, and allows you to focus on the present moment rather than giving the mind time to wander. It's like a moving meditation. Mastery flow. Get ready to kick it up a notch, ladies. It's time to combine all that we have learned from the past into a scorching hot sequence designed to fire up your metabolism and transform your body in ways you may have never imagined possible with yoga. The layout of each video is slightly different than the previous videos. There is more repetition of each pose to really encourage the desired muscle to fatigue. Also, you will be guided through a combination of upper and lower body compound movements. These are designed to get the most done in the shortest amount of time, and the muscles we are going to target will help give your body that attractive hourglass shape. Is designed to spice things up, re-energize and reinvigorate your mental focus while fully maximizing your weight loss results. How does it work? The secret to the success of the Yoga Burn program lies in what's referred to as dynamic sequencing. Dynamic sequencing is the way in which the Yoga Burn program teaches you how to properly perform each movement and then continues to adapt and increase the challenge at the precise moment your body starts to get used to the routine. This forces your body to change and adapt, which in turn helps to build a shapely, feminine body that not only looks better, but feels better too. Yoga Burn's unique 3-phase program guides you through 15 different videos that are laid out in a way that will keep your body and mind guessing to ensure you do not get bored, or hit a plateau. Who is Yoga Burn for? Yoga Burn is for women from any walk of life who are ready to make time to follow a done-for-you yoga program designed to promote natural and healthy weight loss without any need for pills, powders or potions. If you want to lose weight and get in shape without having to spend countless hours in the gym or lift heavy weights, then Yoga Burn may be a great fit for you. Can I do Yoga Burn while pregnant? Yes, you absolutely can. If pregnant, I recommend you take advantage of the bonus videos, the beginner flow and the tranquility flow, which are ideal throughout all stages of pregnancy. In addition, we also provide you with a complete list of modifications to be used during each trimester of your pregnancy. And best of all, Yoga Burn is perfect for helping you recover once you've had your baby, as you can start getting fit without even having to leave the comfort of your own home. What makes Yoga Burn different from yoga classes? Well, first of all, you won't have to be stepping over sweaty yoga mats to find a spot in an overpriced and crowded studio, fight through traffic to get to the gym, or deal with men having their heads up your you-know-what just to do the same generic class week in and week out. But, on a more serious note, Yoga Burn is a progressive yoga program designed exclusively for women to deliver maximum fat-burning results and body-shaping effects in the shortest amount of time. Remember, each and every strategic movement built into this program was done so with that sole purpose in mind, which makes it completely and utterly unique from anything else available, period. Yoga Burn is designed specifically to meet the needs and challenges of everyday women that want to shape up, lose weight and experience all of the amazing benefits a professional and progressive yoga program has to offer. All in the comfort of your own home. On your own time. What if the workouts are too hard for me? We've designed the program to be able to suit women of all fitness levels, from very new beginners to advanced yoga students. Dynamic sequencing helps to ensure you can achieve the very basics of each pose and then teaches you how to progress to more challenging poses in a very detailed way. If you find your workouts too challenging, there are always plenty of modifications offered in the videos to adjust each movement to your current fitness level. Check it out now. Get for more information below of the description. #lornephil